directly visit the login page, enter your login details and click login. Now you can see your dashboard. Here is the search bar. In search bar you can search for different sections or different options. This is edit profile, where you can add and update your profile details. This is domain and URL section, where you can update your custom domain. There are instructions about how you can have your own custom domain for your website, and it will also depend on what kind of plan you have chosen while trial or purchase. If you have any questions, you can always contact us. Further, there are subdomains and path URLs. Here you can see subdomain and URL, where you can see your company web page. Again, this will depend on what plans you have chosen from the pricing page. Further, we have a menu builder. Here you can update your menu. Then we have settings. This is very important section of dashboard. Here you can find themes. These are 7 different themes as per different industries. Then we have a favicon option, where you can update your favicon icon. Then we have logo option, where you can update your logo. Then we have breadcrumb image update option. Then we have preloader image option. Then we have color settings, where you can change the color of your theme of the website. Then we have custom CSS coding option. Then we have plugins. Here you can add social media links. I have added some links already for example purpose. These links will appear here. Then we have SEO information option. This content helps search engines to identify what content you have on your website. Then we have home button. Here you can find home section. Under home section you have option to add titles and subtitles for different sections of the website. These titles and subtitles will look like this on the website. Then we have hero section. This is the first thing on the website on the front page. It's kind of a slider, and it depends on what theme you have selected. Here you can see 3 images of the slider. Then we have a counter information. Counter information is something which is used for showing up how many awards you have won, how many clients you have, and stuff like that. Then this is the video section, where you can fill in all the details about your video. Then we have skills section for this particular theme. Then we have options to add your testimonials. Testimonials will look something like this on the website. Then we have work process section. You can add your work process, and this is how it will look like on the website. Then we have a section customization option. Here you can see all the different sections which are showing up on your website. For some industries, some sections might not be relevant, so you can deactivate or activate your sections from here. Then we have footer. Under footer, you can add your logo, about your company, copyright text, and quick links. Here are some examples of quick links. Then you can add services. When you add services, all the services will show up in different relevant locations on the website. You can add your portfolio categories and projects here. can add your team members here. This is the way your team members will look on the website. Featured team members will show up on the homepage too. Then you have blog options, where you can choose different categories for different blogs. It will show up automatically at all the relevant locations on the website. Then you have FAQ management to add different frequently asked questions from your customers. Then you have career option for your website, where you can add job openings and manage all your job openings from here. Then you have a contact page option, where you can manage your contact details, address, email address, and the location on the map. Then you have a custom page option, where you can add more pages for your website. Then we have some additional features just to support your business, like quote management, where you can manage all the quotes. Then we have a QR code option, where you can generate your own QR code. Then we have a V card option. It is also known as digital business card. You can empower your employees with digital business card or V card so that they can share their contact details with ease. Then we have followers management, subscribers management, language management for your website, what plans you have purchased, your payment log, and then your password changing option. Thank you for checking out AContact.info.